So draw text outline. Okay. I forgot what exactly those arguments of draw text style outline are, so I need to check them. Where the fuck is it? Okay, here. Okay, so that means we have x, y value. X value will be room with not room with view, x view. Oh, could be like that. X minus 15, y minus 20. Outline width is 1, outline color is C black, outline field is 2. Forgot about the string. Press A. You mean E to pick up. Oh, what happened? Okay. We can check whether this works or not. But I'm pretty sure it does. Oh, it's if distance to object player is smaller than 15. That seems pretty unlogic to me because we're much far away than Okay, so let me move, please. This is so wrong. Oh. How the fuck is it even possible? Okay, that's so unlogic. So freaking unlogic to me. If distance, we can check distance to point. If distance to point, object player X, object player Y. But I sure hope this will work a bit better this time. Let's check it out. Damn right it does. So we can enlarge the distance to be maximum at 10. Let's go for a few degrees in the left with the X, and I need to set the font to be a bit smaller because this one is really big. Okay. Minus 75 and draw set font. I'm looking for the right one. I think it's font editor type. Oh, Just check it, the font menu will be fine. Well, yes, this kinda looks better. I think I should add real-time shadows and yeah, I should add the shadows to the gun, because if you look at the house, you can see that there's actually a bit of shadow being visible, like through the solid object. Can you see it? I mean, the light persists with the building, and after that it generates a shadow behind it. Pretty cool. I bought this Aura engine for the Nocturne, and it seems to be a really great engine for GameMaker Studio too. And don't be worrying around random objects lying around. I just did that for testing purposes. Okay, so now we actually can approach the gun. The gun should have smaller depth than the player, because we want it to be under the player. So we have a player here. I need to check which instance is in it. So we have Aura, camera, player, lights. Lights have a bit bigger Aura. Floor gun is here. Floor gun is the shadow casters. Yes, that's where I've been wrong. Let's delete the floor gun, and let's give it to the controller depth, like that. Oh, so now we are dealing with the other issues, because the lighting appears to be above it. So for now, we'll put it in the shadow casters. Damn it. Okay. Here it is. And let's make it 80. 80 part of my 60. Now what I want to do is to have different types of guns on the floor, because I've already made hell of an engine which handles each of them. In the inventory you have scripts to add to inventory, you have main menu scripts. I mean, basically I made everything, and even equipment. So you add an item to a database, then you have all the attributes you put to each item. So you have a name, have a type of the item, sprite shop index, that's only for the preview purposes in the shop. So bonus, price, animation, shooting index, bullet type, level, item, and the floor ID. So that will basically tell which instance of our guns, which are here, is going to be displayed. A quantity of the items which you pick up, if they are stackable or not, recoil, primary ammo, secondary ammo, and the shoot time. So I think I've already created the database in the controller. Okay, yeah, so we are adding ammo box UMP 45. So here we have UMP 45, which will be recognized as a gun. I should have those attributes on my left because it will be easier to read them. I can't remember all of them, really. It would be really a hard time for me. Oh, can I somehow split those screens? I'm not really sure. Nah, I need to put it on the second screen, I guess. Yeah, like that. Hello guys, yes, this stream will save, and thank you very much, Coxie, for the comment. I'm trying to put my best into it. Okay. So... oh, where did my second GameMaker win the run? Here it is, okay. Name of the item UMP45, its type is a gun. Sprite shop index will be 0. Item sprite index is 0. Item bonus is 12. 12 refers as a bonus to the damage and stuff like that. So perhaps if I will have an ammo box and it will contain an argument which is a bonus, it will tell how much bullets it will give. In the case if the item is a gun, it will tell how much damage it does. So third argument is item should animation index bullet type, item type, floor item, floor ID, stackable, not. Okay, great. Now what I want to do, I think I've already made no, I haven't made an object floor gun. So we need to make a player being wearing a gun. Global dot equipped gun ID. Thank you very much, Coxie. I appreciate it really much. Thank you. So we will have a variable which will be equip gun ID equals to 0. That's the gun we are currently wearing. So I'm having sprites for the gun right here. There are so many sprites here lately that I'm really getting confused from time to time, so please apologize me on that. Oh, those are the hood guns. Did you have an ASPR gun or something like that? Jesus Christ, are you kidding me? Upgrade guns. Okay, they're here. Oh Jesus, they were here. So yeah, this will be those will be the guns I need to put in. This will be for the top-down view. I need to add a few more. So this will refer to our TMP guns. I'll show you in a minute how it will work. Like that. So equip gun will be -1. And now in the draw event, oh, I think I've already made this, it seems. I had a pause for a month of the project, but now I came back, so I'm kind of a bit lost. Primary, okay, initialize item IDs. So we only need to set it to -1 if I'm correct. Yes. Do we have a script for that? Equipment replace. Equipment replace. So if keyword check pressed or E, then item replace, or whatever the script was called. It's not really item replace, but equipment replaced. Jesus, where did it go? Yeah, equipment replace. Equipment replace. Yeah, although I was really thinking about purchasing a whiteboard too, it seems really much better for me than using a computer to write stuff down. If you write it with a pencil or a pen or a marker or whatever, you can remember things pretty easily than if you would use a computer for that. I certainly agree with that. So, replacing an equipment. I think it has two simple arguments. Yeah. Equipment slot and item ID. I think the item ID is 1 and it's a weapon. One, two, three, four. No, I'm missing one. No. 1, 2, 3. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, great. Now, now it would probably work. So in the controller, I have remembered that I have put it 2 items. So this one has a signed ID of 0 now. Oh. Yep. Let me see something real quick. Okay, so I'm wearing a weapon. But now when the player is created, need to check. Now we should not be wearing a gun at all. Oh, the index doesn't work. But I'm not really sure why. So initializing equipment. Head torso weapon. So the weapon is -1. It actually shouldn't draw an index as far as I'm concerned. Or am I wrong? I'm not really sure. Not really sure after all. Okay, draw. Equipment ID. Oh. Equipment ID. Oh, that's where the part goes tricky. So I have probably made an equipment ID. It goes for the same as this. But this one requests the sprite index of it. So let's check. If ID is larger than -1. Then we will draw gun, otherwise we won't draw gun. See? Yep. So in this case, we need to remove the shadow. See, what is this? Yeah, now I'm having torso-less guy. If QID is larger than -1, then Q. I need to get rid of this silly shadow. And I'm not entirely sure where am I displaying it. Is it this statement? Probably yes. But no. It isn't yet. Or I need to think of a system to reach that shadow, because the shadow is one of those statements. I think I need to study project for a little bit, and I will be back tonight's evening because it's really a bit unprepared, and I really need to make a list of the things I have already done and not to get confused each streaming moment. Well, I have been working for this engine. It's really up for around a month and a half, and basically the game's story is about, if you watch the series called Marcos, I'm trying to make a very similar game to the story of It's Now, for the fact the game is co-op, and you start with your friends and all other guys or random people you find in the matchmaking. You start at the DIA office, then you get a mission to go raid a drug lord's house, and after that you go raid it, and there are plenty of zombies. I mean, wannabe zombies. There are people who are coming around you, and you need to complete certain waves and seize the drugs and money to win the mission. So that's kind of what I've been pointing in here. So I have checked that I have completed the item equipment. Oh, no, I have meant the TV show called Narcos. Nacros. I think the stuff that bothers here me the most is the elaborate thing that I will need to point out, because I really don't have any level designing experiences or and even have a perspective for that. Well, sure, go ahead. I will have to pause the stream now for around half an hour or an hour. I need to check on what the project is completely about, and after that I'll get back to you guys. So thank you very much for watching, and see you in a half hour. Bye.